am that bitch. I will always be that bitch. I can do anything I want. Everything that is meant for me is already aligned. I'm walking into it, okay? Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiara J. Thank y'all so much for clicking on today's video. Y'all see what we got in store for today. We got a cute little baddie, you know what I'm saying? A cute little slay. And of course, we got some cute conversation, okay? So we are gonna get into this wig, baby, and we are also gonna get into confidence. What confidence is, how to have confidence, how confidence can get you anything, how you can attract anything. Just by being confident, baby. Confidence is everything, okay? And this wig, honey, is everything. Shout out to Kalai Hair. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. Kalai sent me over this 24-inch baddie, okay? She is a curly blonde highlighted wig. So freaking cute, so full, and we about to get into it. So make sure to click those links down below in that description box to get your hands on one of these wigs and to check out all of Kalai Hair information. So girl, if y'all want to see how I hooked up this wig and how to have the confidence to go with it, go ahead and stay tuned. So we about to jump straight into it, get glammed up, and talk about confidence, girl. And this confidence thing runs deep because to me, confidence it ties into like living the life that you want, living out your purpose. Like having confidence is everything. I just feel like it's the foundation of your success. Here is the wig. Oh, ain't she pretty? It's giving us Beyonce and Obsession vibes. Like I really like these. So I just want to show y'all the inside of the wig. Here it is. Normal construction, whatever. And we are about to go ahead and spray this wig down. Y'all know how I'm coming with the Ebin tinted lace spray. I really like this stuff. And also spray this. I'm gonna use this Tresemme spray to just lock in that tint. Okay, we are about to do a melt, so we're gonna go ahead and get this hairline together. Y'all be seeing me in the struggle. Okay, we not gonna have no struggle today. We're gonna have a smooth ride, ain't we, baby? We're gonna get this hairline together. It's gonna be cute on the first try. Hallelujah. Amen. I'm using something new today, girl. I'm rocking with Ebin because I really like the tinted spray. So I was like, let me go ahead and try this, y'all. This is the Wonder Lace Bond that I hopped onto the train, seeing Got to Be Glue spray or whatever. So they made a spray, but this is actually what it's meant for. So I thought that was really cool. They say this is the extreme firm hold and it's for active use. So I'm guessing it can stay for a while. You know what I'm saying? We're about to test it out. I want to talk about confidence and just how I discovered my confidence and what I think confidence is, and just giving y'all some real, just having a real talk with y'all, giving y'all some real tips on how to build your confidence, how to walk in confidence. A lot of times we hear confidence and we just think like, you know, physical appearance. I need to have confidence in myself and my body. That's just what it is. A lot of people relate confidence with like how you look and your appearance. But y'all, confidence is so much deeper than that. Like it's honestly a spiritual thing. Like confidence is deeply rooted. It really starts within, and it's more of like a power of I know who I am, I can do anything, I can be successful, I can do this, I can do that, I can do all things. Like I can do anything. Like I am beautiful, I'm worthy. Just having self-love and just being able to bulldoze through this life because you know what's yours and you know you about to go get it. And just these basic words like confidence, I feel like I'm discovering in a new way, in a new light, because I always related confidence to physical appearance, but this spiritual journey I've been on, like confidence just got a whole new meaning. It just feels like nothing can stop you and nothing can hold you back, and you have to have that mindset because life is full of ups and downs, okay? And the only way to get through those downs is just to be able to hold your head up and know that you're gonna be okay. Know that your greater is still coming. Know that all the things that are meant for you will be for you. So that all ties into confidence, okay? Like what? Do y'all hear me? Do y'all feel me? I just got the wig cut so I can have those 3 sections. And we about to go ahead, put this thing on, see what this spray do. It looked like the spray kind of dried up. Oh no, it's actually kind of sticky. Okay, Ebin. Trying to give us a lace spray. Okay, I like how that's laying. Hold on. Ebin might really have tapped into something real quick. She's sticking already. wig could definitely use some plucking. I don't know why I didn't think to pluck this wig before I popped it on my head, but we'll just have to do some plucking like at the end. I want to share a little story about myself and my first like encounter with confidence. I'll say with lack of confidence, because this was such a defining moment in my life, like, and it was so much bigger than like it was at the time. This little moment in my life honestly gave me such a big lesson in just like loving who I was and really having confidence in me just to be me. Like, okay, we gonna tell a story. So I was in high school. This was my 12th grade year. My 12th grade year, I ended up going to a new school. It was like, you know, predominantly white school or whatever, so it was different, out of my element. But you know, I'm at the school. Cool. My senior year is when I was going through my first like spiritual awakening, like just having to do with like my faith, myself. And I was, you know, I'm 18, just discovering myself, discovering the world, stuff like that, whatever. Me discovering myself and everything, I was like on my natural hair journey. I had been relaxed for so many years. I was, you know, that kid that had a relaxer and all that good stuff. So I was just discovering, like, you know, getting in touch with my true beauty. This was around the time where the natural hair scene, it was 2012. So yeah, like 2010, 2011, 2012, that was when the natural hair scene was really like picking up, and a lot of women were just now discovering natural hair and how to do natural hair and what do we use, what products do we use, what YouTubers do we go to see what to do, you know, that whole fad. But I just remember being so scared to wear my natural hair, and the reason is because I went to this predominantly white school and I always wore like weave. That was my thing. Like in high school, all I did was sew-ins, okay, quick weaves, like, girl, some braids. You wasn't finna catch me in my hair. Like, I always rock me a little weave. Hold on, pause. This hairline is looking a little bit crazy, but we about to get it together. So I gotta do some plucking. Girl, So I had got into like the natural hair blogs real heavy. Like, y'all really had to be here for the natural hair blog days, you know what I'm saying? If you wasn't there, you just wasn't there. But if you know, you know. Like, them natural hair blogs, I used to stay on them, just being so inspired by these beautiful women with their natural hair, like black women that looked like me, just beautiful curls. Like, I just was so freaking inspired, right? One day I was just doing a lot of blog reading and, you know, just getting real inspired by all the naturalistas and stuff. And I decided, you know what, this is crazy. Like, I was starting to wake up like, this is really crazy that I'm really caring about what other people about to say about me. Like, I'm gonna wear my natural hair tomorrow, okay? So girl, let me tell you what she did to get ready to, you know, face her fears and get some confidence. This girl was walking around outside playing India Arie, I Am Not My Hair, Strength, Courage, and Wisdom. I was just feeling so at peace, and I had did my hair, y'all. I got my hair prepared. I forget what I did. I think it was like a twist out, and then I put it into a mohawk. I mustered up the courage to go to school, and people looked at me crazy. My senior year, I had Skill Center. I was a cosmetology student in the morning, okay? So I went to my cosmetology class. I got some compliments, but it was this one boy, I will never forget him. This one white boy talking about some, your hair, it's so beady. It looks like beady beads. No, he did not. Yes, girl. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. He called my hair beady beads. Like, and he had already tried it. Like, I was talking about I wanted to go back to, you know, the school that I came from. I wanted to go back and be with my friends and stuff. And he was like, why would you want to go back there? Isn't it like ghetto? Boy! Yeah, that boy was a trip. I just brushed it off. I did not let that get to me. I did not let that stop me. So now we get to school. I'm rocking my little hairstyle or whatever. Girl, this is where the story truly begins. It was lunch and something happened to where I was just late. That's when I really was shook, because I'm like, oh my God, y'all know when you late in high school, you gotta walk in and be in front of everybody. Everybody be looking at whoever coming through the door. So I'm like, oh my God, like I gotta walk in front of everybody. They gonna see me. They gonna see my hair. Like, oh my God. So I went to the bathroom, child. I was just in the bathroom hiding, trying to figure out if I was gonna go to this class. I was just so scared that I was just sitting in a freaking bathroom stall, like scared about my freaking hair. Like, that is crazy. But I decided we're not gonna worry about the sides, like plucking and doing all of that, since I'm only wearing it, you know, like up here. I'm still trying to decide if I want to do a side, because it's starting to get, y'all see that little bit of plucking? That little bit of plucking came through. Or if I'm trying to do the middle. Yeah, that's gonna be cute. We just gonna spray. Oh, y'all like my new edge comb? Ain't it so cute? Little cheetah girl, cheetah sister. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this spray on my brush. And we gonna swoop the dupes. Okay, never mind. We gonna use this got to be gel. That spray ain't really working out like I thought. So I finally got to the classroom. I stood at the door for a couple minutes, you know, a little nervous to go in. I finally went in. I think I heard somebody laugh. Yeah, bitch, I heard you. At this point, I was like, you know what, forget it. I'm me, I'm beautiful. Like, everybody don't have to like me. Don't nobody have to like me. If I like myself, then that's it. That was my inner bad bitch trying to come out. She was trying to talk. She was trying to, you know what I'm saying? She was trying to get me to know that I was indeed the baddest, because at the time, I did not know that I was indeed the baddest. So yeah, I walked into the classroom and that was it. That was a lesson I learned about confidence, like in my physical appearance. But as I got older, I realized that that same confidence, that same situation I was in of me being afraid and unsure about myself or caring about what somebody else thought of me, that literally carried into my life, like in so many different situations. I've truly learned that confidence is everything. Confidence is the key to getting what you want out of life. And let me tell y'all the first step of being that girl, of just standing in your power, standing in your baddest self. You gotta know that, okay? You have to know that you are the baddest. You have to know, and when I say that, I'm not talking about like, oh, bad bitch shopping spree, bagging the niggas, Balenciagas and stuff like that. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about being a baddie, like deep inside, like knowing you can do anything. Knowing that any obstacle that come your way, guess what? You gonna get over that thing, okay? That's what true bad bitchness is, okay? Everybody be real sensitive when it comes to the word bitch, but baby, I speak how I wanna speak. And I like the word bad bitch, so boom. And I like what bad bitch means to me, because it just means like an inner, like, dragon. Just unleashing your best self, you're unleashing your confidence, you're unleashing all your potential, you unleashing like the everything good that's within that you were scared to bring out. Like, that's what a bad bitch is. Like, I love it, I'm here, yay. And you gotta know that. You just gotta get into the mindset that I'm worthy. Why do you not think you're worthy of the best things? Why do you not think you're worthy of those opportunities? You have to know that I am, what? Me? Me? It stretches across so many different things. You in a bad relationship, you gotta know that you are worthy of better. You gotta know that you deserve better. You gotta know that you deserve love. You deserve the best, and you don't deserve to settle for nobody treating you bad. Or like, confidence is everything. Confidence will just keep you going and going. And this newfound confidence I had, I really feel like it was just from speaking like positive affirmations. Like, that shit really worked, okay? Like, positive affirmations are not nothing to be played with. I personally believe that we hold so much power in our tongues, in our minds, in our thoughts, and just everything about us. We hold so much power. So I feel like when you start speaking good towards you, okay, quit downing yourself, baby. What? Quit downing yourself. Don't get the word I can't out of your vocabulary. I don't care what the dream is. I don't care what you want to do, or get the word I can't out. Nothing is too big for you. No dream is too far-fetched. Get into like a routine every morning where you just stand in the mirror and you praise yourself. Like, it's not no conceited thing. It ain't no cocky thing, but you have to show yourself love. You have to speak good into you. You have to speak positive over your life. Even if you're not there at that place you want to be, that I am going to be, you got to let that drive you. And I promise you, your words really, really, truly do move you. Your words move your spirit. Your spirit hears your words. The words that you think become what you are. When I'm in a dark place, I try to turn my mind off, because I'm not going to be speaking negatively into my life and telling myself that I'm this and I'm that. Like, your words and your thoughts are just so powerful. So when you start to get in the mirror every day, baby, I'm beautiful, I'm worthy, I'm a queen, I'm the baddest, okay, whatever you want to call yourself, start doing that, because you are so worthy of everything that is meant for you in your life. I believe that every single person has things that are meant for them, good things that are meant for them. All you gotta do, baby, is get in line with it, receive it, believe it, put on a positive mindset, positive attitude. That's how you begin to attract those things. And that comes from your confidence. That comes from you knowing, like, this is mine, I got this. So all I gotta do is walk in there, all I gotta do is talk like that. Why y'all think Muhammad Ali was talking big shit, okay? That was spirit confidence. That was something real deep that he knew, like, I'm the baddest, and I gotta show them that I'm the baddest. That confidence was on 1,000. I want that Muhammad Ali confidence. He said he the greatest, baby, okay? Do I wanna change his baby hairs? Or do I like them like this? I kind of don't like this. It's like a curtain. And you know what that made me so mad? These, speaking of a curtain, I'm sorry. These hairstylists calling them things curtain bangs. What the hell is a curtain bangs? You talking about swoop-de-doops that we've been doing for so long? Like, what y'all talking about? A curtain bang. Huh? Child, I was in high school. Everybody wanted their sew in like that. Middle part, swoop-de-doop. That ain't nothing new. That ain't no damn curtain bang. Anyway, girl, confidence is getting that bag you want. Do you hear me? You going to a job and you been there for a while. You know, you doing your thing. Confidence is knowing your worth, knowing your value to that company, to whoever, whatever you're doing. So confidence is going up into that office or whatever and telling that person, hey, this is my value. Okay, this is my value, this is my worth, and I would like a pay increase. Like, period. You need confidence to start that business that you've been talking about, Pooh. Why you doubting yourself? What you scared people ain't gonna buy? What you scared people ain't gonna look? You gotta have the confidence just to go ahead and do it. If you feel like that's your passion and you know that this is what you wanna do, baby, it's aligned for you already. It's already set. All you gotta do is walk into it. Have that confidence to know everything that's for me will be for me. A lot of times too, we lack confidence because we're just scared of the what ifs. Like it's very human to just think, what if it don't work? What if I do fail? And that's where confidence comes in again. Even when you go through hard times, we gonna go through hard times. You gotta be confident in that. Like, yeah, everything ain't gonna be roses and butterflies all the time in life. So we have to know, we already have to have a mindset of like, you know, things may happen, but you already gotta adapt a mindset that even when those bad things happen, you know that you're okay. You know that you're just going through lessons that you need to learn. I believe that everything you go through is for a reason. I believe that everything is for a purpose, on purpose. Like, I just really believe that, and it really pays to have that mindset because don't let them moments like completely take you off your path and just set you out the game. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's hard. We go through hard things. We feel, we cry. You know, sometimes we do want to quit. But adapting that mindset that everything is going to be okay, that everything is still working out for me. Like, this is just a lesson I'm going through. It's going to make me stronger. It's going to make me better. Like, that is everything. That's literally what pulls you out of the mud. That's what pulls you out, baby. You coming out. Come on, girl. I believe in you. I believe in whatever you're going through is just, you finna level up to a new level that you ain't never even thought leveled before. Cause I'm that bitch. And that's why you gotta have confidence. Okay, I'm gonna just do a little bit of layering. But I just want to tie in my story too about my hair because it was a lot deeper than that. Like how many avenues like my self-confidence opened up for me. But after that, and I started gaining confidence with myself, being a black woman, embracing my curls, embracing my hair, embracing my skin, embracing me, it opened up the door to do my first like beauty channel on YouTube, which is now deleted. But you know, that was like my foot in the door to like start doing my natural hair tutorials and just, girl, it just really was like the start of like a whole new career for me based off of my confidence to just be me, being me unapologetically, okay, and just like showing it to the world. Like, that is crazy. So that was just a huge eye-opener lesson for me in confidence. That was my first lesson of confidence, and I just wanted to share that with y'all and talk about, you know, real true self-confidence, real spirit confidence, how deep confidence runs, how confidence can literally get you anywhere and get you anything that you want, okay? You attract it. So yes, girl, I enjoyed chatting it up with y'all. I enjoyed putting this wig on. Do y'all see these curls? Y'all see these curls? And I'm giving a little red lip, you know what I'm saying, to match my red roses in the background. I think that's such a cute vibe. Okay, girl. I love this wig. I love this wig. It's giving me Beyonce. Okay, so shout out to Kalai here once again. Thank you so much. And make sure to click those links down below, okay, to check out all the information to get your hands on this wig. So that is it for today's video. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you enjoyed this topic, if you enjoyed this hair. Okay, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Comment down below, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.